Hi guys, this is Fran from Dr. Tagi's office. Today I want to talk to you about Ultherapy. Ultherapy is a non-invasive skin tightening device. This is the only device that's been cleared by the FDA to go this deep into the skin. So it's completely different than a laser treatment. And I'll kind of use this picture here to explain a little bit about how it works. So this little layer right here is our muscle layer, and this is our skin layer here. This collagen layer holds our skin to our muscle, and as we start to age, this collagen layer becomes like an old knitted blanket, and it gets stretched out, it loses its elastin. And so what Ultherapy does is it bypasses the surface of the skin and it targets this layer right here so that it can trigger it to tighten back up again. So it sends ultrasonic energy into this layer here and triggers it to tighten back up again. So this isn't really this treatment isn't good for like fine lines or wrinkles or pigment, because that's where laser comes in. But this treatment is awesome if you're starting to notice a little bit of the jowling right in here, or if you're starting to notice underneath your chin or your neck. We can do your décolleté. It's great for a brow lift. So the way that it works is that, like I said, it sends the ultrasonic energy into this layer here. But the reason I love Ultherapy is because you can actually use the ultrasound to make sure you are specifically targeting this layer. So Ultherapy is very technician driven. You have to be able to know the layers of the skin. You have to know the anatomy of the skin to get a good treatment. And we get amazing treatments at our office. So you want to make sure that you're going to some place that has been doing a lot of these treatments and has a lot of experience with it. This treatment, there's no downtime, so you can walk out of our office, nobody would know you had anything done. You might be a little bit red because we are rubbing on the skin, and if you're prone to bruising, you might have a bruise if you're on aspirin therapy or if you're on a blood thinning medication, but you have to let us know prior to your appointment. Other than that, there's really not much downtime with that, so this is a great treatment to do like in the summer. But because we're relying on our own skin to tighten back up again, it can take a full 6 months to see the results from this treatment. Every month there's a progression. You get tighter and tighter skin every month, but it can take a full 6 months to see the results. So it's not something that you see overnight, but it is an awesome treatment to pair with like a laser or anything else, because Ultherapy is working from the bottom up and laser is working from the top to the bottom. So if you're doing these two treatments combined, it's a great way to keep the skin youthful looking. The treatment has definitely gotten a lot easier in the last few years. I have probably 50% of my patients that do it with just ibuprofen only. I have 50% of my patients that want a narcotic, but you know your pain tolerance better than I do. So if you feel like that's something that you would like to do, then we can arrange that ahead of time. But you do have to have a driver if we give you a relaxer or a narcotic. But most of the time the treatment is very easy. It only takes about an hour and 30 minutes for a full face treatment. So once you leave the office, you have no more pain. It's just really during the treatment. So if you have any questions or you want to know more about Ultherapy, you can always message me or go to our website, or you can always call our office. We're doing consultations over the phone as well. So just let me know, and we'll see you soon. Stay safe and healthy.